VulnPilot is our one-stop security triage where we can go ahead and create no-code security workflows. These workflows can have any name that we go ahead and decide, and then we go ahead and create the workflow. The workflow will have a domain URL which we'll then provide. This URL will be used for doing automated security tests, which does the work of a security developer by itself, and then a security report will be generated through the power of LLMs. We can set the frequency of these security tests, which determines at which rate the security tests will be performed. We can add the GoBuster node for doing the directory checking. We can provide the NICTO node for doing the vulnerability scanning. We can provide the Nmap node for doing the SQL port scanning. We can provide the SQL map node to do the SQL injection scanning, and then we can provide an email node for getting the notification of the automated report that will be generated by this entire no-code workflow. As you can see, it simplifies the work of creating software security solution and increases the amount of software security an application can have by doing automated workflows at individual intervals. After that, we can go ahead and directly connect that final node of our security workflow to the notification node. We can save the workflow and execute it manually or wait for it to be executed later. Then, as we can see, the report is being generated. So now the security report has been generated, and this report can be directly seen by us on the URL itself. We can see all the Nmap scanning, all the GoBuster scanning, or we can go ahead directly to our email and see the security workflow report that is generated by an LLM. As you can see, it automates the entire software security report generation process and increases the security of a software application by 100 times fold, and also decreases the amount of 0 days vulnerabilities and the amount of security issues that we can have. Then we can go ahead and see the web security report that has been generated. The report has been generated so that people with no code background can understand the security concerns with the current application, and we can also go ahead and ask the developer to solve these reports through the technical details. So this is VulnPilot, our one-stop security triage, which helps in creating more secure and complete software security solutions.